Compatible iPhone X's Max case for girls women. GYZCYQ by GYZCYQ is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Compatibility, designed for iPhone XS Max. IMD technology, vivid and never faded shining pattern makes your iPhone eye-catching and attractive. Full protection, pocket-friendly phone case for iPhone XS Max offers protection from scratches, everyday wear and tear and light drops, adds grip to keep your phone durable and sleek. Ultra-thin and ultra-light, the ultra-slim fit protective iPhone XS Max. You will feel nothing on your phone, but it did keep the protection of phone and give you the excellent grip. Glitter pearl luster shell design, the glitter patterns feature style and elegance, which bring you more compliment. Ultra-light and durable, the shell phone case is slim fit and lightweight, it provides full-around protection for your phone. Full body protection, flexible soft but really tough TPU material helps to shock absorbing. Perfect fit, precise cut and design, easy access to all ports, buttons, speakers, cameras and all features. Pretty design, shiny colorful pearly luster shell pattern design elements makes you and your phone fashionable and chic, and perfectly match any occasions. IMD technology, color was printed under a layer of PET, it makes printing vivid and never fade.